Blood, a vital fluid flowing through our veins, has intrigued scientists for centuries. This red elixir of life, pulsating through our bodies, performs many essential functions that keep us alive and healthy. It carries oxygen from our lungs to our cells, aids in the removal of waste products, and fights off infections, among other roles. But beyond these fundamental functions, there's something else about blood that has captured the attention of the science community for generations. You see, not all blood is the same. It's not just the red fluid you might think it is. It's a complex mixture of cells, platelets, and plasma, each with their own unique characteristics. And what makes it even more intriguing is the concept of blood types. Yes, just as we all have unique fingerprints, we also have unique blood types. This is not a mere scientific curiosity, but a critical factor in medical science. Blood types, you see, are not a trivial matter. They are of utmost importance in various medical treatments, most notably in blood transfusions and organ transplants. The compatibility or incompatibility between blood types can mean the difference between life and death. It's like a lock and key system. If the blood types don't match, the body's immune system will reject the transfusion or transplant, leading to severe complications or even death. The discovery of these blood types has been a monumental breakthrough in medical science. It has enabled doctors to perform safe blood transfusions, saving countless lives in the process. It has made organ transplants possible, giving a second chance at life to many. And it has opened the doors to further research, allowing us to understand more about our bodies and how they work. But how did we come to understand these blood types? It's a fascinating tale of discovery and innovation. The year was 1901, and a man named Karl Landsteiner was about to change medical science forever. In the heart of Vienna, a curious pathologist was conducting experiments that would soon demystify the enigma of blood. Landsteiner's fascination with blood was not shared by many in his era. The mysteries of blood were considered too complex, too daunting. But Landsteiner, a man of relentless curiosity, was not deterred. His experiments were simple yet groundbreaking. Landsteiner mixed the blood of different individuals and observed the results. And what he found was a revelation. The blood cells from different individuals would either mix seamlessly or they would clump together in a dangerous reaction. The key to this, he discovered, lay in the presence of certain substances on the surface of the red blood cells. He called these substances antigens, and he found that they varied from person to person. Through meticulous research, Landsteiner identified 4 distinct groups based on the type of antigens present. He labeled them as A, B, AB, and O. This was the birth of blood grouping. Landsteiner's breakthrough was a turning point in medical science. Before his discovery, blood transfusions were a dangerous gamble. Doctors would simply hope that the donor's blood was compatible with the recipient's. But with Landsteiner's blood grouping, they could now ensure a safe match. This discovery was a leap forward for organ transplants as well. Just like blood, organs also have antigens on their surface. Therefore, knowing the blood group of a donor and a recipient could predict the likelihood of a successful organ transplant. But the impact of Landsteiner's work extended beyond the realm of transfusions and transplants. It opened up a new field of study, immunohematology, guiding researchers in their understanding of the immune system and its role in health and disease. Landsteiner's work laid the foundation for safe blood transfusions and organ transplants, saving countless lives. His contribution to medical science is immeasurable, and his legacy continues to shape the field to this day. From Landsteiner's initial discovery, scientists continued to delve deeper into the world of blood types. The story of blood type research is a testament to human curiosity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. Just as Landsteiner's work was gaining recognition, other scientists were stepping up to unravel the mysteries of blood. The next significant discovery came in the mid-1930s, with the discovery of the rhesus factor, more commonly known as the Rh factor. This discovery was made by 2 scientists, Karl Landsteiner, again, and Alexander S. Wiener. They found that blood could be either Rh positive or Rh negative, depending on the presence or absence of a specific antigen. This was a monumental discovery because it added a new layer of complexity to the blood type puzzle. The implications of this discovery were vast, particularly in the field of medicine. The Rh factor became a crucial consideration in blood transfusions and organ transplants. For instance, an Rh-negative person cannot receive blood from an Rh-positive donor. Such a mismatch could lead to a severe and potentially fatal reaction. This discovery also had profound implications for pregnancy. An Rh-negative mother carrying an Rh-positive fetus could potentially develop antibodies against the fetus's blood, leading to complications. With the knowledge of AB, ABO, and Rh blood groups, the picture of blood compatibility became clearer. It allowed for safer blood transfusions and organ transplants, as doctors could now match donors and recipients more accurately. This has saved countless lives and continues to do so every single day. The discoveries didn't stop there, though. Scientists have since identified over 30 blood group systems, although the ABO and Rh systems remain the most clinically significant. Each new discovery adds to our understanding of human biology and opens up new possibilities for medical treatment. The more we learned about blood types, the more we realized their critical role in our health and survival. This journey of discovery is far from over, and every step we take brings us closer to understanding the complex and fascinating world of blood. Fast forward to today, and blood types continue to play a crucial role in medical science. The 4 blood groups discovered by Karl Landsteiner, A, B, AB, and O, are still fundamental in numerous medical procedures, including blood transfusions and organ transplants. In blood transfusions, it is essential to match the donor's blood type with the recipient's to avoid adverse reactions. For instance, a person with type A blood can only receive blood from donors of type A or O, while a person with type B blood can receive from donors of type B or O. Those with AB blood are considered universal recipients, while those with type O are universal donors. In organ transplants, the blood type of the donor and recipient also needs to match. This is because the immune system can reject the new organ if it recognizes the blood type as foreign, leading to organ failure. But blood types are not only relevant in these procedures. They are also being studied for their role in various diseases. For example, research has suggested that certain blood types may be more susceptible to specific conditions, such as heart disease or cancer. Moreover, the field of blood typing is still evolving. Scientists are currently looking into the existence of a rare, so-called golden blood type, known as Rh-null, which lacks all Rh antigens and is potentially a universal blood type for all people. There is also ongoing research into creating synthetic blood, which could revolutionize the field of transfusion medicine. Imagine a world where blood shortages are a thing of the past. So, the story of blood types is far from over. With every new discovery, we gain a deeper understanding of our bodies, and we improve our ability to treat diseases and save lives. Even now, blood types continue to be a vital piece of our medical puzzle, guiding treatments and saving lives. So, from centuries-old curiosity to modern-day medical marvel, blood types have come a long way. In the vast annals of medical history, few discoveries have had as profound an impact as the identification of blood groups. This breakthrough, credited to Karl Landsteiner in the early 20th century, has forever changed the landscape of healthcare. Landsteiner's work, identifying the A, B, AB, and O blood groups, has been the foundation upon which safe blood transfusions and organ transplants have been built. Before this pivotal discovery, transfusions were a gamble, often resulting in severe reactions and even death. Landsteiner's revelation that blood was not a one-size-fits-all fluid, but rather had distinct types, was a game changer. It opened the door to safe and effective blood transfusions, saving countless lives in the process. But the influence of Landsteiner's work didn't stop there. It also paved the way for organ transplantation. By understanding that certain blood types were compatible while others were not, doctors were able to match donors and recipients more accurately, increasing the chances of successful transplants. Fast forward to today, and our understanding of blood types has only grown. We now know that there are even more blood groups, with over 30 recognized by the International Blood Transfusion Society. And research is ongoing. Scientists continue to delve into the mysteries of our blood, studying its role in disease, immunity, and even our personality traits. It's clear that the discovery of blood types was not just a milestone, but rather the starting point of an ongoing journey of discovery. It's a journey that continues to yield valuable insights, enhancing our ability to treat disease and save lives. As we continue to explore the mysteries of blood, who knows what life-saving discoveries await us in the future?